Hello everyone, welcome to this video. As a हामी यो भिडियोमा would र used to को class 2 verb को solution गर्न जाँदैछौँ. So ढिला नगरी let's get started. So used to को meaning के हुन्छ त भन्दाखेरि जुन कुरा तपाईले past मा repeatedly गर्नुहुन्थ्यो त्यो कुरा अहिले गर्नु हुँदैन भनेदेखि त्यसलाई used to भनेर भनिन्छ. would को एउटा युज चाहिँ imagination को लागि युज गरिन्छ. यस्तो हुनेछ भन्नको लागि युज गरिन्छ. अर्को भनेको एउटा सर्टेन कन्डिसनमा तपाईले पास्टमा केही कुरा गर्नुहुन्थ्यो भने पनि तपाईले would भनेर भन्नुहुन्छ. अब डिफरेन्स के चाहिँ हो त? used to रेगुलरली गर्नुहुन्थ्यो बट would चाहिँ कुनै कन्डिसन मिट भयो भने मात्रै गर्नुहुन्थ्यो. Got it? Okay, let's see. A. My sister did have sought here when she was young. My sister used to have sought here when she was young. We did have lunch in the same school cafe when I was in middle school. We used to have lunch. We used to have lunch in the same school cafe when I was in middle school. My father played badminton before he had backbone problem. अब backbone problem भन्दा अगाडि उहाँ सधैँ खेल्नुहुन्थ्यो. So used to play badminton before he had backbone problem. When I was very young, I didn't like milk. जब म young थिएँ, जवान थिएँ और बच्चा थिएँ, मलाई milk मन पर्दैन थियो. I did not used to like. I didn't use to like milk भनेर भन्न सक्यो है. Used to को negative, didn't used to भनेर हुन्छ. Okay, next. She did call me after class for chat भनेर छ. हो यहाँ चाहिँ तपाईले would. She would call me after class for chat. My mother wear glasses when she was at university. My mother didn't used to wear glasses when she was at the university. When I was a child, we didn't live in village. जब म सानो थिएँ, बच्चा थिएँ, हामी विलेजमा बस्ने गर्थ्यौं. We used to live in village. We used to live in a village. On Sundays, my mother wake up and go to the temple. On Sundays, my mother would wake up and go to the temple. How many friends would you have in class 10? Class 10 मा कतिजना साथी हुनेछन् भनेर भनेको. My father always read me bedtime stories before bed. My father would always read me bedtime stories before bed. So yes, pretty simple, right? So यसरी नै हामीले सबै भिडियोहरु सल्भ गरेर टिकटकमा अनि युट्युबमा हालेका छौं. तपाईले हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. Thank you so much.